Oh no, not the xylophone. Please, not the xylophone. Oh no. Come on. No! Come on, no! Come on, coronavirus! No! No! I have a hot coffee, please. Oh, come on, Marcello.
There's nobody else.
No! Oh my gosh. Be careful, please.
And freeze.
No. Oh my gosh. It's hot water on my hands. It's hot water, Marcello. Oh my gosh, it's hot water. Oh. What are you doing? No.
And unfreeze.
Very funny. Let's not waste water now. So silly. Oh no. No.
Wait, one in the
Come on.
like that. And unfreeze.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, now I got it. Hey guys, it's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel with my two Bluey fans and assistants, Marcello and Rocco. These are the new Bluey toys brought to you by Moose. Let's get them unboxed. This is the playground set, and in addition to this collection, there's going to be more coming out, like Bingo's Playroom. There are a 4-pack of Friends featuring Bluey, Snickers, Coco, and Honey. We're gonna get these figures unboxed and give you a quick look, and we're gonna see how they play. So these are by Moose Toys. These are actually available for pre-order now at Target.com. They're gonna say that they're sold out, but just keep looking. They're actually coming out in stores in Target in the US at the end of June. In all retailers, August 1st. The Bluey line is everything that you saw from my New York Toy Fair video. So please check that out. You can see all of the toys. So I'm gonna get these unboxed and show you how well they are made. And I already saw them. They're amazing. They're well made. I love them. Can't wait to get them open so my kids can play with them. And I can play with them too. Open. This is the 4-pack right here. It comes with Chili, Bluey, Bingo, and Bandit. We have superposable figures with holes at the bottom, so you'll be able to place them in different parts of the playset. So we have 2 holes at the bottom of their little hind legs. So super cute. You can see the little paw prints. A hole at the bottom so we can place the figure on, like, let's say a swing. See, now Chili can push Bluey on the swing, and she's not gonna fly out. Let's do the test. Let's make her go all the way around. Woo! Super duper fast, and she's not flying off. Oh, there she goes. That was some real toy testing though right there. Okay? So she's really poseable. She has a movable tail, movable arms, and movable legs that are stuck together. Oh, I'm Bluey. I can't save you. Where's Mom? Where's the mom? Oh, where's Mommy? And what's also really awesome is that each one of the figures has like moldable hands, so they'll be able to hold on to certain things. So we can grab onto the red wagon. They have little miniature accessories like the xylophone and the claw, and they'll be able to hold those too.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's Chili. She's messing around on the swing. I love how poseable they are, and I love this little slide. It's so adorable.
Alright, I'll fix this one. Oh!
Cute.
Mom, I was actually playing with Bluey, and I put her on the swing, and I made her go like this, like walking like that.
Everybody's really just testing everything out.
I really like these toys.
Me too.
Even without like the rest of them, I still like them.
I love them. You can check out my other unboxing video featuring the Bluey Jumbo plush, and I'll put the link to that at the top of my screen if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you so much again to Moose Toys. This is so amazing.